When it comes to car detailing, the right tools make all the difference, and your pressure washer gun is at the heart of the operation. Whether you're a weekend enthusiast or a seasoned professional, a high-performance unit can drastically improve your workflow, efficiency, and overall results. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most refined and performance-focused pressure washer guns on the market. From heavy-duty builds designed for intense use, to swivel systems that eliminate hose kinks, and ergonomics engineered to reduce fatigue, these tools are more than just accessories. After hands-on research and careful analysis, I've selected 6 standout models that offer serious performance, versatility, and long-term durability. Let's break down what makes each of them a smart investment for your detailing arsenal. Number 1 is Active Short Pressure Washer Gun with Swivel. If you're serious about detailing and need a gun that's been built for the job and built to last, the Active Short Pressure Washer Gun stands out as a true professional-grade tool. Constructed with a 304 stainless steel valve, a heavy-duty nylon body, and Viton seals, this gun is built to withstand intense use, high heat, and aggressive chemicals without flinching. It supports up to 5,000 psi and 12 gallons per minute, putting it squarely in commercial territory. What really sets this model apart is the tight engineering and community-driven design. This isn't just a stubby gun slapped together with flashy specs. It's compact, ergonomic, and engineered with a smooth swivel to eliminate hose tangles. The low-force trigger and rubber over-molded grip make long sessions fatigue-free. With universal compatibility and fast quick connects, it's plug-and-play for any setup. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily detailer, this one brings confidence and comfort to every wash. Number 2 is McKillans Swivel Gun Pro. Tailored for enthusiasts who demand smooth, hassle-free operation, the McKillans Swivel Gun Pro is a high-precision pressure washer gun that punches well above its weight. It supports up to 4,000 psi and 7 GPM, and includes M22 adapters for both 14mm and 15mm hoses right out of the box, plus Teflon tape, which is a thoughtful touch. Its standout feature is the swivel inlet, which practically eliminates hose kinks, making it a joy to maneuver around your car. The lightweight trigger only needs 2 pounds of force to activate, so you can keep spraying without wearing out your hands. Bonus points for the rubberized nozzle holder that stores your spray tips, an underrated but extremely useful detail. This gun is clearly built with detailers in mind, focusing on user experience just as much as build quality. Number 3 is Aurora Car Pressure Washer Gun with Swivel. Aurora's pressure washer gun brings together premium materials and user-centric features for a well-rounded performance package. With solid brass and stainless internals, this gun is made to handle up to 5,000 psi without leaking or degrading over time. Its built-in labor-saving trigger lock allows you to spray continuously without keeping your hand clamped down, ideal for longer sessions. The 360-degree swivel on the inlet side reduces hose management stress significantly, helping you move more freely around your vehicle. It comes bundled with a range of nozzle tips and multiple fitting adapters, making it a truly universal option compatible with most setups. The flexibility to switch between different lengths adds versatility to match your cleaning scenario. While it doesn't connect directly to garden hoses, its focus on high-pressure detailing performance makes this a great tool for car enthusiasts, home users, and pros alike. Number 4 is Dusichin Pressure Washer Gun. For those seeking an affordable yet feature-rich option, the Dusichin Pressure Washer Gun offers a remarkable balance of price, power, and practicality. Supporting up to 3,000 psi and 7 GPM, this short gun is ideal for most electric and gas washers used for automotive detailing, fence cleaning, or even patio maintenance. Its ABS and brass construction gives it decent durability, while the 360-degree swivel inlet makes maneuvering far less frustrating, an essential for tight garages or driveways. It includes a full set of 5 spray nozzles and an integrated nozzle organizer to prevent those tips from going missing mid-job. The ergonomic handle and easy pull trigger help reduce fatigue, and a safety lock keeps accidental sprays at bay. While it may not be as premium as others on this list, for light to moderate use, it exceeds expectations with solid usability and thoughtful design features. Number 5 is McKillans Short Pressure Washer Gun. Compact, ergonomic, and highly maneuverable, the McKillans Short Pressure Washer Gun is purpose-built for foam cannon users and tight-space detailers. This version emphasizes a lightweight trigger and a tight swivel for max control with minimal hand strain. With a max rating of 3,000 psi and 2.6 gallons per minute, it's perfect for electric washers, and especially effective when paired with foam cannons for pre-soak or contact washing. It's equipped with pre-installed fittings, sealed with Teflon and Loctite, to eliminate leaks and save you time. The short body design offers the kind of close-up control needed when detailing intricate panels, wheels, or bumpers. It's not just compact for convenience, it's compact with purpose. Number 6 is Tool Daily Foam Cannon with Pressure Washer Gun. For those who demand both speed and versatility in their detailing workflow, the Tool Daily Foam Cannon with Pressure Washer Gun introduces a smart, dual-ended design that's as practical as it is efficient. The integrated two-way shuttle valve allows you to seamlessly switch between a foam cannon and a pressure washer nozzle without constantly disconnecting parts. A huge time saver during multi-stage washes. If you're serious about car detailing or just want to make washing your vehicle easier and more efficient, upgrading your pressure washer gun is a must. After deep analysis, I've seen a variety of designs tailored for pros and enthusiasts alike, each offering unique strengths. No matter your skill level, one of these pressure washer guns will elevate your washing game and make every detail count.